Here's what's in my kitchen. We got Dr. Pepper can, Mommy. What we have is a Dr. Pepper can right here, which we have right here. I'll show you this Dr. Pepper can because of Mom or Dad. Then we got some of this ham. And I don't know what kind of type of ham it is, but it's this kind of ham. Bought at HEB. We got some of this cream, cream cheese. We got it. And we got some butter. Butter. Who else would have had butter and pickles? Right here. Oh, that's so heavy. I'll show you right. Oh, that's so heavy. Right here. Oh, I have noodle arms. That's right here. See, this is how many calories. Here's the pickle jar. Woo, this is fun. Let's put it back up. We have some cherries. There's cherries. Right here. Cherries? Look how many calories. Look how many sugar. This is where we bought them at Walmart. That's upside down. We bought it at Walmart. We got an orange in this bag. I guess Daddy or Auntie. Because I know my mom would never do that. We got some cow milk. I'll show you that. It's really heavy, I think. We already got this. That's neat. Cow milk, as you can see. Oh, took it off the lid. See the cow milk? The calories. It's really heavy. I can't hold for that long. So heavy. We have some apple juice. Apple juice calories. Special? No, one said special, okay? With strawberry yogurt. We bought these at Walmart. Zero sugar. Hey, and here's the calories. And it's really healthy. How fat? Here's my milk. It's perfectly.
What are you doing in here?
I'm not eating anything.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to show everybody what's in our kitchen. And here. Get out. Get it out, Mommy. Get out. Yeah. This is my milk. I just think it's so good. Here's silk milk. Wait, that actually fell. I don't know why.